identification? Sir, may I please see your identification?
And if I say no,
Sir,
what?
may I please see your identification?
And if I say no, what?
Well, then we'll have to wait here until you show me identification. I can't have you leave. I can't allow you to leave. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you are the owner of this vehicle. I don't know if you have a New York State driver's license. I don't even know if you are a legal citizen of this country. I don't know anything about you right now.
This is a perfect example of how some police officers either don't understand or willfully ignore the limits of their authority. A criminal defense attorney, simply sitting quietly and reading a newspaper in the parking lot of a convenience store, was suddenly approached by an officer demanding to see his ID. The reason? The officer claimed he was obstructing a public pathway. What the officer didn't realize, or gravely underestimated, was that the man in front of him wasn't just any citizen. He was a lawyer who knew his rights and how to wield the law like a weapon. The moment he was asked for identification, the attorney calmly pushed back, methodically dismantling the bogus accusation. Without raising his voice or losing composure, he used the very laws the officer was supposed to uphold as a shield and a sword. What followed was a public schooling, a moment where the officer was forced to confront an uncomfortable truth. No one is above the law, not even those who are paid to enforce it. And what happened next? A humiliating reality check that this officer will not soon forget.
You're asking me for my ID because I'm parked in a parking lot where they sell stuff to read it.
Yes.
And on what grounds do you ask me for that?
Yes.
Tell me what grounds you're allowed to ask my ID.
It's my job. May I see your identification?
What
Sir,
legal
I don't know
grounds?
who you are. I don't know who you are.
Am I doing anything
I don't know if
illegally?
you're the owner of this vehicle.
Right now you're parked.
All right. I don't
Wait,
know.
can I ask you a question? How am I just
Sir, I'm going to ask you for the last time.
Explain to me how I'm parked
This is the fifth time I've
illegally.
asked you. Can I please see your identification? This is Officer Otto from the Suffolk County Police Department.
This is
May I
Gino
please
Giorgini, a
Thank
New York
you.
State criminal attorney
Thank you. May I
who's
please see your
sitting here doing this. Then why are you
May I please
asking me?
see for your? Because I don't.
I don't want to give you. Why do you want to look at my ID? I'm asking you a simple question. I'm in
asking you
a
a
private
simple
parking
question.
lot,
It's not a private
minding
parking
my own
lot.
business. It's not a private
It's
parking
a
lot.
business. This is
Yeah.
a public parking lot. This is a public. Private means it's a business.
You have right, and you're telling me I'm parked illegally. How am I parked illegally?
You're parked illegally. You're blocking the path.
Blocking what? What path?
Sir,
In the
may I
corner.
please see
I
your
just want to record
identification?
this.
Sir, I'm going to ask you for the last time. May I please see your identification, please?
I just want to ask
Sir,
you.
may I please see your
I'm asking
identification?
what legal grounds
Sir,
are you
may I
asking me
please
for
see your
then?
identification, please?
Right now, sir, you're parked illegally. Okay?
Okay, I just
I
want
need to identify you.
I don't know who you are. I don't know if you're the owner of this vehicle.
Exactly. You understand that?
I do not know if you own this vehicle. I don't know what your name is. You're not showing me any proof
But
that you are the operator.
you're missing the point
Sir, no,
because
you're missing the point.
hey,
Sir.
do me a favor.
Sir, may I
Don't
please
interrupt
see
me
your
when I'm
identification?
speaking. Do not
Sir, may I
interrupt me when I'm
please, sir,
speaking.
Sir,
When,
do me a favor. Sir,
on
I'm
what
asking you a question.
grounds
May I
are you
please see your
asking me?
identification? Sir, may I please see your identification?
And if I say no,
Sir,
what?
may I please see your identification?
And if I say no, what?
Well, then we'll have to wait here until you show me identification. I can't have you leave. I can't allow you to leave. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you are the owner of this vehicle. I don't know if you have a New York State driver's license. I don't even know if you are a legal citizen of this country. I don't know anything about you right now. So I would like to see some proof of
So
identification.
you asked about legal citizens of the country?
No, I don't know who you are, though.
I'm just wondering. You asked if I'm a
No.
legal citizen of the country?
Sir, may
you're
I
a legal
please?
operator of this vehicle.
Yes. May I please see your identification? I did
You
not.
have to determine whether or not if you can drive away here, we can let you go. If it's just a minor.
And
parking
also,
offense,
sir, I
not a
did
big
see you
deal.
dump that liquid onto the floor.
Yeah, it's called seltzer. Here's
but
a
I did
can
see
of,
you dump- sir,
of water.
Sir,
It's an
so
empty
you're
seltzer
telling me that
can.
You did dump a liquid onto the floor.
Water.
Okay. Okay, so you did do it though.
Is there a law against that?
You did dump a substance out of a can out of your car, correct?
And
Answer my question, sir. Did you or did you not?
what does it matter?
Answer my question, sir.
What does it matter?
Sir, answer my question. Did you or did you not dump a substance out of the car while you were parked here?
What does he have? Water,
Sir,
seltzer. What does it
So
matter?
you're saying you did?
And is there a problem with that?
I don't know what substance it is.
Go down and test it. Go lick it.
I don't have
care.
a test for it right
Bend down,
now.
lick it. I don't care.
I can't test it. That's why I'm asking for some identifications so you can verify who you are, where you're going right now, and then I can have you go on your way.
Well,
for
let
your
me
day.
ask you. Why would I have to tell you where I'm going?
Because it's my job to know who you are.
Why,
I don't care where you're going.
Wait, why is it your job to know who I am?
I did not ask you where you were going. I
You just
never
did.
asked you. No, I did not. Do not put words into my mouth, okay? I know this is your job, all right? I understand this is your job, but now let me do my job and just see some identification, like a New York State driver's license, because I don't know who you are. Like I said, I have never had any interaction with you before. I have never seen you before, okay? So I'm doing my job patrolling the area that I work, correct?
Wait,
Okay?
come on.
Okay, so I'd like to see some
Are
identification
are
from
you telling me that people in the
I'm
state
not
of
saying
New York
anything. I'm saying I'd
can
like
be
to see your
stopped and asked for
identification.
ID for no reason?
Okay, well, right
No,
now.
I did not say that. I said I would like to see some identification from you, sir. I can call a supervisor down here. We can't let you leave now. Now you cannot leave until I get verification of who you are. I can't allow you to leave. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you have a New York State driver's license. Oh,
Nah,
your
no
inspection
idea.
is past due. Well, now I can't have you drive the vehicle because your inspection is past due. So now you're going to get a summons for that. But I don't know who you are yet, so I don't know who to write the summons to. So can you produce some identification for me?
That expired. I didn't know.
Oh, boy. That expired? Did you get that on tape? Did you
Yeah.
get that? Can you film that
Well,
for
I
me?
did on tape. It's
Thank you
expired.
very
Big
much.
deal. I just want to know why you're stopping people in the gas station.
Didn't stop
I
anyone. I did not stop anyone,
I
sir.
just want to know why.
You were not- you
I sit in
stopped
gas
already.
stations and read my paper every morning, but I just happen to be in Wyandanch about to pick up a client, and all of a sudden I've got this massive
It's all right,
interrogation.
sir. You can wait here for your summons.
You're going to get a summons. Can I
Yeah,
get
I'm going to
identification?
supervise it.
Sir, so I know who to write the summons to?
Some parked car right into the
No,
parking
there was
lot.
someone in the vehicle, so I can't write it to a parked car to no one. There is an actual operator of the
No, you got
vehicle
the
right
plate.
now.
You can write it to the owner of the car.
No, I cannot do that.
I get some. Just so we get this straight, I get summonses. People get summonses on parked cars in parking lots all the
I
time.
don't know. No, but there's no one in the vehicle. When there's someone in the vehicle, the actual operator who's sitting in the vehicle gets the summons. Not when the car's parked unattended and alone. Yes, you're correct.
It was
That is
car in
called a
operation
parking-
right now?
I didn't say it was an operation. I said you didn't see the operator.
Okay, so but it's not. The car wasn't in operation, right? The car wasn't
say that.
running. This, that.
I did not. We're not talking about that, okay? And then I say that. Do not put words into my mouth, okay?
I'll have fun showing this video in front of Judge Hudson's quad this morning.
And you make sure you show that your inspection is up.
So what? Big deal. Write a
Okay.
ticket.
You like get off on this or something?
No, you ready?
You like get off on like just dragging this process out?
No, because
You realize you could have just identified yourself in the
That's
beginning
all.
and be like, okay,
You
this
probably
is your
wouldn't have
vehicle.
gotten the ticket for
Because
this.
What are you doing,
wouldn't
sir?
have-
I
wouldn't have
want to ask you why someone.
client over here and be like, all right, sir.
But
And
what
then
is
you go on
what
your
is
way.
it?
And
But
it's
why?
just
Why
being-
would? Let
it's
me.
just
I
being,
just
like,
want to know
gentlemanly.
something.
And he's
I just
talking
want.
over
I
you,
want to know
like,
You
something.
dumped the you
You're
dumped the
talking
substance
nonstop.
out of your car.
You're sitting weird. You're dumping something out of your car.
I don't even know what that
Came up
substance
Sitting
and
weird?
it's like,
Yeah, you're
the
parked.
vehicle's parked weird.
Yeah.
This is not weird. Everything else is straight into a lie.
Is this
Everything's
tint
right-
legal, by the way? I think we have a tintometer in the car. Is this tint legal?
Factory should be. Rear window.
Make sure. Just want to make sure.
You know? And you could have been on your way, but like, is this what you get off on?
No, I get.
Obviously you do. This is like a little game that you like playing. You
Wait,
know?
what's
You
the
could've been
game?
on
Wait,
your way a long time
wait,
ago.
time out. A
You
game?
could've been on your way a long
Wait,
time
time
ago.
out.
This little game,
You're
you do
supposed to
something
do
that you
your job when you're
This is
doing
what you wanna
something.
do. I mean, this is your game. You know?
Why is it my game? I'm reading newspaper, minding my business.
This little game. You could have been on your way.
Really, it's a game. You violating people's rights?
Violating rights. You're parking legally.
I'm not parked illegally.
Dumping
Okay.
your unknown
Right the ticket. Write the ticket.
Okay, but I don't know how to write to it, so I need to see some identification.
Write a ticket
I
on
need to see your
everything.
identification.
Write
or you
ticket
can
on
be
anything.
arrested. Believe me, for just so
what?
you know, for an inspection ticket in lieu of arrest. The tickets are issued in lieu of arrest.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, let me see. There we go.
I don't know why that was so hard.
Because it's illegal to come up and ask for ID for no reason.
When someone's dumping a substance out,
Nah,
yes, that is my
that's
reason.
it.
That is my reason. You're dumping
Park
an
it.
unknown substance out of. You're parked in a car, okay? You open the door and you dumped an unknown substance out of a can, okay? And then you threw the can on the floor.
Don't worry.
So
This is getting forwarded to the Fed monitors. That's all.
Okay.
It's all good.
Okay. Listen,
It's all good.
Right here, 5426.
I got it. I got it.
Make sure the Fed monitors get it.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
They'll be happy with that. You know.
Your rights violated.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
How did we violate your rights?
Don't worry. You'll find out.
Okay.
Oh, you call me a pussy? Did you just call me a pussy? Did you just mouth that on the
Excuse
video?
me?
Did you just mouth something to me?
No, I did not.
You sure?
You have
'Cause
a problem?
You just mouth something to me.
You really like to push people's buttons, do you?
You just mouth
really
something to
like to push
me.
people's buttons. He does. All right. Well, just sit tight. I'll issue you a summons and you can be on your way. Have a nice day.
Once again, we witness blatant abuse of power and arrogant behavior by the police. When a citizen is simply sitting in his car, reading a newspaper in a parking lot, yet gets questioned, threatened, and detained just for refusing to show ID without any legitimate reason. Instead of enforcing the law in a professional and ethical manner, the officer repeatedly made up excuses, such as spilling water on the ground or having tinted windows, in an attempt to coerce the individual into complying with unreasonable demands. Questioning someone's citizenship status simply because they don't immediately submit is a disturbing sign of authoritarianism and a serious lack of legal understanding by someone who holds public power. When the officer said, "I can't let you leave," without stating any specific crime, it was clearly an act of unlawful detention. This isn't just a breach of public trust. It's a direct threat to the fundamental freedoms of every citizen. Under the Fourth and Fifth Amendments to the U.S. Constitution, every citizen has the right to remain silent and cannot be searched, detained, or questioned without a valid legal reason or warrant. Refusing to show ID when you're not suspected of a crime is completely legal, especially in New York State, where this video was recorded. The man in the video, a criminal defense attorney, showed unwavering composure and legal knowledge, calmly and firmly drawing the line between lawful authority and unlawful coercion. Despite being threatened and provoked, he stood his ground to defend his constitutional rights. Knowing the law is knowing how to protect yourself. And when citizens know their rights, the truth always wins.